may know me as a Mopar guy, but I have a dirty little secret. Come on. And it's not the condition of my yard. But this is my dirty little secret. It is a 71 Torino GT. It's originally a 351 Cleveland 4-speed car that I redid in 2005, 2014, 2016, and 2017. And we took it to Drag Week in 2017. Irwindale, our home track, is closing in a few weeks here. December 8th is its final drag race. And so I bought tickets and we're taking the Torino. It's got a 4-speed, it's a 410-inch Windsor, 13-to-1 compression, stock 4V Cleveland cylinder heads, Torker, single plane intake, 850 Holley, inch and 7/8 2V headers, which we'll get more on that later, and 3-inch exhaust. It's got a top loader that I rebuilt. It's got a 9-inch with 40 spline gun drilled axles, Mark Williams center section with 410 gear and a spool. It has polished center lines, and basically I built this car. I bought it off my buddy Dean for $1,900 with a no motor in it, and he had one of these in high school and we tore up the streets in it. It was an awesome car. And actually a few of my buddies had Torinos. They were awesome. And so forever in my heart, I've really liked these things. They're like the Ford Charger. They look like a Dodge Charger, but they're a Ford. And so this car actually is really near and dear to my heart because I did buy it off Dean in 2004 and he passed away 2 years ago now. And so this car kind of some sentimental value. Anyways, it runs and drives. It's got a broken leaf spring. So I bought some Calvert Racing split monoleafs. It has a J-bolt traction bar on it. And I'm gonna run the Calvert Racing 9-way adjustable shocks. And so what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna pull all the braided hose and we're gonna take it over to Torino Motorsports and have new hose put on. Now, as you can see, it's got red and blue fittings. It's got gold anodized valve covers. It's got polished center lines. It was built as a car that I would have driven in high school in the 80s. And so everything is kind of geared towards that. I have big plans for this thing. We're gonna eventually, right now, we're just gonna put a fresh set of tires on it. We're gonna change out the fuel lines. We're gonna charge up the battery and then we're gonna drive it to Irwindale. We're gonna race it. It'll probably be jam-packed and quite a riot. And so we will end up probably only making a couple of runs, if that. But it's okay. We're just going to be there and to give our final send-off to Irwindale. So let's charge this thing up. Let's do a little weed eating.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face, baby.
There's that. All right, so clearly the Trino is not going to make it. So I'm gonna have to regroup on that one. It's like, oh, so frustrating sometimes, I'm telling you. I need to put U-bolts in the rear because they're wrong. Did contribute to what happened, but the leaf springs were broke. Both of them were broke. One was actually missing leaf packs. The other was missing the pin. The pin was gone. So it allowed the rear end to move all around. When it did that, the U-bolts came loose. And anyways, that's gonna do it for this episode. Oh, but wait a minute. Is it? No. Stay tuned. We're still going to Urbandale. Anyways, plan B is being every bit as hard as plan A. Carburetor's all leak fuel. This one's leaking right out of here. It's midnight. Got the carbs fixed. Got the spark plug wires fixed. It's topped off with fluids. Tomorrow morning, we'll hit the coin operated car wash. That is what it is. It'll be fun, I think. So, next time you see us, what'll be tomorrow? We'll be heading to the track. We're washing a Superbird that has no rings.
took it on a 7-hour drive last New Year's. Cruising all over the place. What?
World's slowest Superbird?
Yeah, what happened there? It looked like it nose over really hard.
Oh, coming out?
It just,
Yeah, I just wasn't happy.
just the way it goes once in a while?
Well, I didn't stall it a bunch because I thought I was gonna spin the tire, so I came out light throttle and then
Oh, and then
I should have just got after it. Yeah, but next one will probably be a little faster. I don't really care. Well, that's really slow. We're gonna have to work on that.
That's okay. Was it fun?
Sure. Long time coming. I mean, because they said what, 5 years ago they were going to close it.
It was originally the whole thought, you know. We've got an extra 5 years. We can't be crazy sad about losing it now.
Oh no, but it still hurts. I guess my biggest regret was not coming here more often, I suppose. But even now, but it's, I think, more than just this place closing necessarily. It's more of, we have one less track in Southern California.
I would like to have seen them make passes here and do stuff like we get to see, you know, my kids do, but
man, it's just so convenient.
Yep.
It's such a convenient place.
Yeah.
It's 30, I think 2 miles from my house.
You have the key to your car?
I do.
Let me borrow. I want to make pass.
Oh, sure.
I want to
Yeah.
see if I want to see if I can boost it.
Hey, you want that one?
Oh no, I brought the Superbird. That green Superbird?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Chevelle. He did Chevelle.
Oh, I think that. Yes, I did see it.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
He brought that one.
Yeah,
Okay.
I didn't bring the dirt.
I didn't bring my Camaro.
No? Both of you guys cars bad, but man,
you.
when I seen that, I heard it. Oh, wait. You don't see that twin turbo in no car like this.
Yeah.
I'm listening to it. It's just like, one, lift the concrete up.
Well, that's because she's a big girl.
Yeah.
So which one of these can we take with us?
Yeah. Can we put in a requisition? Hey, thank you very much.
You got it.
Well, I guess that's a wrap.
Right.
Irwindale was open for 24 years. I was there for the first day. I had to be there for the last day. Now the Dart isn't running, but we did take the Superbird, which was pretty cool. I've never had this Superbird down the track. So we decided to send Irwindale off into the abyss in style, mostly just to be there for that final day. Like I said, I was there for the first day. I sure wasn't gonna miss the last day. Now we've closed many tracks here in Southern California. Carlsbad Raceway was the one I frequented. LA County Raceway was my home. Sacramento Raceway, Terminal Island Raceway, actually. So in the LA area, a lot of different tracks have closed over the years. And it's just because the real estate is really expensive here and lucrative for developers. So they don't last, and they're, racetracks aren't real profitable to begin with. With that, we say goodbye to Irwindale. It's been a good time. Thank you for the memories. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, but definitely subscribe. I don't just drag race. I collect, restore, and race muscle cars as well. At the end of this video, there will be some videos for you to choose from. I encourage you to go have a look and see if you like. Thank you.